NASDAQ this week has risen in value. The week started with this bullish candle with a larger wick on the upper side, which means the bullish pressure was active on the market, but also the sellers are waiting right here around this area of resistance and pushed the price back down, but could not reach the area of support. But the next day we can see this bearish pressure was strong enough to push price to here, to this area of support, which is the demand zone around 2439.88, and from here the buyers have take over and pushed the price all the way to the area over the resistance. You can see that on a Wednesday the price has formed a bullish breakout above this area of small resistance and continued to rise in value, reaching 24,996, which is around number 25,000, which I have mentioned that the price will try to reach because it is the next resistance level. On the Friday the price has made this bearish engulfing candle right here at the resistance level, which is usually when the buyers get out from their trades, the price retraces back down, and also the sellers that were waiting right here to push the price down. So the weekly time frame has closed as a bullish. We can see that it is continuation of this bullish sentiment, except the previous week where the price was creating a decision candle between the buyers and the sellers, but the price has returned back up and continued to rise in value, reaching all-time high price level. Monthly time frame, we can see the previous month has closed as a bullish candle. It is a pretty strong one compared to other ones 2 months before that, which means a strong bullish pressure was active on the market and pushing the price higher. What we can expect next week? Well, first of all, the daily time frame shows us a bearish engulfing candle, which means this is potentially the price could move down, where the next support could be around this area 24,600, which is a small support. We can see that, and on the 4-hour time frame we can see how this looks. The price has formed strong bearish candles, which is on the daily time frame a bearish engulfing candle, suggesting further decline, and we can see that 24,726.39 needs to be broken in order to allow the price to reach lower levels. So 24,626.34 is the support level I have mentioned that the price will try to reach next week. So this is something as a target that I'm expecting that the price will try and also potentially reach. So I'm expecting the price to go here, and then we will see how the price behaves around that area of support. Will it make a bearish breakout going further down, or it will bounce back up, continue to rise in value? So during the week I will also share these details with the traders inside the premium analysis, so they can expect when there is a breakout what is the target. If you would like to receive these updates, feel free to check the link below in the description. It is a link where you can get the free access to the premium analysis. Just join and also read the steps that needs to be taken before entering in that premium analysis. That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.